Cool.
Hello, Raoni.
Hello,
So
man.
nice to be. Hey, man. Thank you very much for joining us.
My pleasure.
Obviously, we've had some incredible stuff happening at Lighthouse, and you are a major part of what's been going on. So, yeah, today I just wanted to host you and ask you a couple of questions. We've obviously had this incredible new studio launch, the Weavy Live Studio, for which you're going to be the course director. I don't think there's anyone better that could be taking this position on. So we are very lucky to have you. The students, anyone that signs up for the course is extremely lucky to have you as a mentor and teacher. And I just wanted to kind of give people a more like personal experience of who we are, what we're about, and what the Weavy Studio is about. And who better to explain that than the studio director himself?
For sure. For sure. Let's do this. Let's go.
Yeah, sure. Okay, amazing. So, Raoni, to jump right in, you've obviously spent more than 20 years working across various creative disciplines, and you now build production level AI systems. So, I just wanted to know if you could tell us a bit about your background and what brought you into the world of generative AI and creative infrastructure.
Sounds good. Yeah. Well, I come from Brazil originally, and I started in advertising as a designer, as a digital designer, very young, at 16 years old. So I started in an agency, which was later bought by WPP. And since then, I just like straight away fall in love with it and started like creating new things. I was focusing most on digital things. So I was always a bit of a nerd and always trying new things and new apps and new emerging tech and whatnot. So I started jumping from agency, from role to role, playing with different sides of the creative industry: design, graphic, digital, animation, video editing. And I started specializing in animation, mostly in Flash and display ads, animations for web. And that kind of gave me the segue to focus on motion graphics and video editing later on my career. And when I moved here to Australia, where I'm at for 13 years now, I started working at Havas as well in the digital space. And as I started working and doing more stuff, and AI came out around the same time as I was already really playing with NFTs and all those the digital art collectibles part. And I just started straight away thinking that this is a revolutionary tech, and I'm just going to start implementing in my workflow. And I did it straight away. I haven't stopped since, just really learning everything new that comes out, experimenting, getting a subscription here and there, multiple subscriptions down the road. Here I am. And most recently with Weavy, I really enjoyed. The first time I saw it, I was like mind blown with how you could, what you could create with it. And I specialized in it. I started doubling down on it and sharing my process online. And here I am doing courses and mentorships about it. Yeah.
There you are. Yeah. Yeah, amazing, amazing. I think it was Bill Gates that said, "Be nice to nerds. You'll likely end up working for one."
Absolutely,
so,
yeah.
And here you are leading the way into the next technological evolution.
For sure.
Yeah, and Weavy is amazing, like you said. I think especially when you know how to work it at a higher level. So yeah, awesome. Thank you.
100%. The nerds are here for the win, man.
Yeah, man, exactly. Taking over the world, 100%. So speaking of Weavy, and of course the live studio that we're offering, for people that are hearing about it for the first time, how would you describe our Weavy Live Studio, and what do you think makes it different from a traditional AI course?
Yeah, I mean, I guess straight away the name just gives it out. Like, it's a studio focused experience, so we're going to be really hands-on. There's no like fancy slides, like in theory. There's going to be a little bit of theory, of course, and a glossary and all like those necessary steps for you to understand the technology, but it's going to be an actual like deliverable focused workshop. So we're really just going to dive deep and find real world use cases, like client use cases, things that clients are asking and requesting more and more with the evolution of this space. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get use cases, dive deep, step by step, from text, image to video to a full app deployment at the end, and just really understanding how we can exploit Weavy capabilities in the level of control and granular control you can get with Weavy. We'll really just exploit that to the maximum in like a real use case workshop style. Yeah.
Incredible. Yeah. So for anyone who has been interested in Weavy, this really is the one stop for getting the complete download on exactly how far you can push the platform. So yeah, very exciting.
Yeah, we're really aiming at having like not just so you can learn, but you can actually test it and get out of it with an actual deliverable and plug it straight away in your workflow and your current pipelines, you know?
Yeah, sure. And it's funny because this is a segue directly into my next question, which is all about kind of like our build, not just learn philosophy. So the question is that, you know, a big theme of the studio is moving from experimentation to deployment. And, you know, what does that shift look like for students during the 6 sessions?
Yeah, I mean, I guess just what we kind of mentioned before, like we're not going to be just following along with a tutorial. And that's, I think, one of the reasons we're making this live. And Lighthouse Academy is known for doing these live sessions, followed by some support after the classes as well. So it's just a different experience. I personally am a person who really just learn by doing. Like I haven't done many like offline courses and pre-recorded stuff in the past. I've done a few here and there, but my experience is fully using it for real work straight away, you know, in actual studios and clients and projects. So that's our aim, because I reckon when you actually experience and come out of it with a deliverable, you really understand more the concept. And most courses, like, you usually have some generic use case or a random deliverable at the end, but some people just get turned down by that because, like, I don't want to build like a 3D animation. I want like a product placement or something like that, you know. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We have a full like path towards a few disciplines, let's say, that you can travel along in Weavy, and yeah, just you can apply those concepts into real use cases straight away.
Incredible. Yeah, you really can't compare parrot learning with practical learning, you know. It's just such an insane gap. So
yeah,
again, like the offering here is to actually get students to interact, to build, to not just to not just understand what Weavy is, but to understand how to use it. And there's a crucial difference. So yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, so so basically, if someone is still experimenting with AI, so, you know, basically still the parrot learning phase, or at least just moving into the practical phase, but hasn't structured their workflows yet, why would you say this is the right moment for them to join the studio?
For sure. I guess there's too much noise out there in regards to AI, you know, especially mentors and like AI influencers. There's a lot of people teaching like a way to get a quick content, a viral content, but not many people tell you to really think in how you can implement that in a professional way, you know, or even showing the right apps for it, and such as Weavy. And it's really like a deficit in the market right now. And by understanding how to break it down, a final result, and then like reverse engineer into micro steps, this way you can really have full control of your outputs as well, you know, like, and that's the mentality that we're going to teach and you're going to learn from this course, really, is like breaking down the result into process and systems, so then you can really understand how you create that in your own way and for your own use case. So there's all sorts of way of doing things, and Weavy is good because you can really do in so many ways. So once you learn the core concept of how you can really put things together and come out as a consistent result, and then reuse that multiple times in a deployable system kind of thing. That's essentially what we are aiming here, I guess, because it changes your mindset to like asset creation to like system designing, really.
And on that note, is there any kind of like example of the kinds of workflows or systems that students will build and be able to deploy kind of like by the end of the studio?
For sure, yeah. There's a few common use cases for like clients and projects, which are like product placement, creating a lifestyle image from an e-commerce shot, for example, or enhancing something from an iPhone photo and then creating a whole spec ad or spot for it, and then creating a full film in it if you want as well. I created my first short film last year using Weavy, so you can do that, create multiple scenes, put everything together, character consistency, how to get real consistency in your outputs for film, for photos, for anything that you want, like product and scenes.
Yeah.
So that's how, like, what we're aiming for, really getting the professional juice out of AI,
Sure. And I mean, I don't know how anyone who has been experimenting with AI and wants to take it to the next level will watch something like this and not want to join the Weavy Live Studio. The way you put it also, it's just super tantalizing.
Well, that's what we're going to do.
That's amazing. Yeah, 100%. Yep. And then finally, Raoni, you've built AI systems in real production environments, literally like you just spoke about now. I mean, you made a short film using the Weavy platform. So what excites you the most about leading the studio and helping creatives start building their systems on Weavy? What is the overriding kind of thrill for you that you get out of it?
I guess that it is something similar to what the Weavy guys, especially Itai, when I see him watching people talk about and breaking Weavy really and like coming up with their own solutions. That's exactly, I think, my expectation from this, like meeting super talented people, like creative directors, designers, makers, creatives in general, and kind of how they implement what we're going to teach and the system thinking behind it in their own way, and to meet these people and like learn from them as well, because Weavy is essentially like a new platform. AI is a new medium. It's something that we're all constantly learning, and when someone else apply a concept in a different way, or they're from a different industry, different expertises and skills, like you really get a lot of benefits out of it just by seeing what they do, and I guess when I'm going to be looking at the homeworks and projects that the student creates, I'm probably going to learn a lot. I learn with every workflow I see on Discord and on the other communities. So I guess this is going to be really also like an opportunity to network and connect with other creatives, forward thinking, like-minded people. And yeah, I guess this is what I'm looking forward to most.
Incredible. Yeah, I mean, a true student of the game learns from everything and everyone. You never feel like you've reached a point where you can't know more.
Oh no, man, we're still learning.
Yeah. And so this is who our students will get to learn from, a true students of the game. And hopefully, I think that's super inspiring.
For sure.
And it's incredible. I mean, the course is just, it's so beautifully structured. Just so that people know, we are going live on the 19th of March. So there's not a lot of time left to sign up. As I understand it, tier 3 has already been fully booked. That happened like overnight.
Yes, so it was super quick.
If they want to get into tier 1 and tier 2, which are still incredible offerings, they need to sign up now.
Absolutely.
Is that correct?
Yes, please go for it. And I look much forward to seeing everyone and going on this journey with you guys. Is going to be awesome. And first of many.
At first of many, 100%. Raoni, I just want to say thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure.
Yeah, of course, as the PR and content lead for Lighthouse, I'm so excited to keep continuing working together. Obrigado. May we have lots of success and luck on this course. And we will be talking soon. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you. My pleasure. It's a pleasure to be involved, and I look forward to it. Thanks, mate.
It's an absolute pleasure.